Hey guys, it's Will from Jordan Bikes, and today I have for sale this Triumph Street Triple 675. Really nice, be bright, be seen. It is fluorescent green, it is stunning, not a mark on it. And if there was, we've also got a bit of touch-up paint, so when it was done, they've also given you a little bit extra, so you never get that with bikes, but on this occasion you have. So if you do anything, you can touch it up. Let's give you some facts and figures. It's a 2008 on an 08 plate. Some 14,743 miles. It's got an arrow exhaust, tail tidy, seat cowl, ASV levers. It's really nice is this, and also the billet mirrors on the end. Also upgraded to Triumph LED indicators. Right, Bobby Dazzler. Right, let's give it a quick start up. Want to see it?
We're ready, we're ready.
We're ready. You don't need to be seen because you'll definitely be heard. Anyway guys, you've seen this absolute belter. Get yourself down to Jordan Bikes and just give us a call. Cheers.